Hare Krishna. I'll be reading a story, I Am Yours, which shows the value of patience. Lord Rama was living in the forest of Dandkaranya at Nasik along with his brother Lakshman and wife Sita peacefully in a straw hut. One day, the wicked demon Ravan kidnapped Mother Sita and forcefully took her to Sri Lanka. Lord Rama met the monkey King Sugriv and his minister Hanuman. They promised to help Lord Ram to find Mother Sita. After searching everywhere, Hanuman and his friends found Mother Sita in Sri Lanka. Now, Lord Rama, along with the entire monkey army, stood on the shores of the Indian Ocean. This army of monkeys was preparing to cross the ocean to attack the golden city of Lanka. One day, as the monkey army prepared their weapons, they saw 5 huge demoniac forms and in the sky above. A huge chaos arose from the ranks. Sugriv, the leader of the monkeys, quickly appeared on the scene, hearing the cries. He looked anxiously at the flying demons. Sugriv was concerned. He thought, these Rakshasas have come to attack the monkeys. He spoke to Hanuman. Surely these Rakshasas have some wicked intentions. Let us take up rocks and trees and quickly finish them. As Sugriv spoke, the leader of the 5 Rakshasas addressed him from the sky. I am Vibhishan, and I have come here to seek Rama's shelter. Please inform him about my arrival. Who was this Vibhishan who resembled a mountain and appeared as impressive as the king of the heaven, Indra? Let us turn the pages of history to see. Ravan, the demon king, had 2 brothers, Kumbhakaran and Vibhishan, and a sister named Surpanakha, out of which Kumbhakaran and Surpanakha were equal in wickedness and cruelty to Ravan himself. Only Vibhishan, the youngest sibling, although born in a demoniac family, was righteous and pure. When Ravan had kidnapped Mother Sita, Vibhishan had been the only one in Lanka who had spoken against Ravan and condemned him strongly. Risking his life, he repeatedly gave Ravan noble advice against fighting the battle with Lord Ram. Ultimately, furious with Vibhishan, wicked Ravan had him thrown out of his palace and kingdom. Thus, he approached Lord Rama for shelter, knowing him to be the merciful Supreme Lord. Sugriv, however, was still highly suspicious of Vibhishan and advised Rama against trusting him. Rama listened carefully and then looked around at the other monkey chiefs who sat with him. You have heard Sugriv's suggestion. What do the rest of you think? Each of them agreed with Sugriv. Everyone felt that Vibhishan should not be trusted. Rama asked Hanuman, "What is your opinion?" Hanuman replied, "In my opinion, I think Vibhishan has wisely decided that Rama is right and Ravana is wrong. Vibhishan is honest, and there appears no dishonesty in his speech and expression. Therefore, we must accept him." Finally, after thanking everybody, Lord Rama spoke. I have heard all your opinions. but I cannot refuse to give shelter to someone who has surrendered to me. Sugriv, however, was alarmed, hearing this, and tried again to convince Lord Ram. He said Vibhishan is a demon and could any time go back to his old ways, to his own nature. Furthermore, if he can abandon his own brother, then how can we ever trust him as our friend? Hearing this, Lord Ram became very grave. He spoke, "If a person comes to me saying, 'I am yours,' even once, then I shall give him shelter and protection from all danger. This is my promise made here before you all. What to speak of Vibhishan? Even if Ravan himself comes to me, I would forgive him and give him shelter. Please bring Vibhishan here immediately." Everyone present was deeply moved on hearing Lord Ram. With tears in his eyes, Sugriv spoke, "My dear Lord, it is no wonder that you have spoken in this manner. You are an ocean of mercy. My doubts are gone. Let Vibhishan enjoy our friendship on an equal level with all of us." In this way, Vibhishan was accepted by Lord Ram. From this story, we learn that God is all forgiving and is the ultimate shelter for everyone. Thank you. Hare Krishna.